Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make aloe vera and guava leaves oil for massive hair growth. A big hug to my new subscribers and to the old ones who are loved and appreciated. As you can see, the aloe vera is nicely cleaned and chopped out into pieces. And I'm going to pick out these fresh guava leaves. And when I'm done, I am going to clean it all up, but towel dry it too, since we are not going to add water to the blend. As you can see, we are going to use a blender, and in this case always put in the aloe vera first so that the gel of the aloe vera can blend the leaves. Drop in a few drops of organic oil. You can use coconut oil. I am using olive oil, and blend it all out. When you are done, pour it in a saucepan. As you can see, I'm going to add this leftover guava leaf. I don't want to waste it, okay? And then you're going to drop in some more oil, guys. You can use coconut oil, castor oil, any organic oil available, okay? Always make sure to add enough, and when you're done, stir it all up and put it on fire. As you can see, the magic is happening already, and we're just going to leave it for some few minutes to do the thing. All right, this is after 10 minutes, and you can see it's happening in there. Pretty excited about this one. If this is not ready, you'll still notice some fresh water in the oil. Okay, it will always be at the base. So this means it is ready. We are going to need a mug or a container, whatever you can use. And I'm going to use the silk socks that I've been using to strain my oils. So look at that. It has a lot of tiny spaces that can do the magic. So I'm going to scoop my leaves in there, and then look at that, guys. Look at the drain, the drop, the magic. Okay, this is beautiful, guys. The guava leaves thickens your hair growth. It reduces gray hair and prevents hair fall. It also boosts the collagen activities. And we know aloe vera helps itchy scalp, controls greasy hair, and boosts hair growth as well. So they both contains minerals and vitamins, and their mix rejuvenate to your hair cells, treating dandruff, giving you a healthy and strong scalp, and promotive massive hair growth. It also controls hair falls, conditions, and nourishes your beautiful scalp and hair, and keep your hair hydrated all the time. So I am showing you the application process. Just put it in there, massage it, guys, and then just leave it. This is best done on wash days, guys. Make sure that your hair is wet after wash day, and then apply this evenly there. You can also use this before braids or wig caps. Trust me, guys, this is the magic. You're welcome. Don't forget your edges, and just look beautiful and happy hair growth. Thank you all to all my wonderful subscribers. To the new ones, I see you. You are loved. Thank you. I appreciate you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please show some love. See you next time. Bye for now.